Why are you staring at me? You're actually treating me like a cat? No way. Taking advantage in broad daylight, Miss Caretaker? Those cats won't be cooperative either. This is good practice for you.
If the cat resists, hold them gently in your arms.
Trying brute force might work on those fur balls, but not me. Wanna keep going? Or else what? Is this how you thank me for cooperating? Did you just hit me? Twice. Oh. Where's my treat? Isn't there a reward for being cooperative? What do you think? Whatever. Consider it a mental treat.